Unit 2. In Town. Lesson 1. Jobs. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Doctor,
2,
nurse,
3,
teacher,
4,
student,
5,
pilot,
6,
cook, doctor, 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 nurse, 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 teacher, 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 student, 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 pilot, 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 cook, cook.
B. Listen and number. 1,
This is my mother.
Hi, I'm a nurse.
2,
This is my father.
I'm a cook. 3,
This is my mother. She's a pilot.
Hello.
4,
Are you a doctor?
Yes, I am.
5,
I'm a teacher. My name is Mr. Smith.
6,
I'm a student. My name is Jay.
7,
I'm a student too. My name is Carla.
C. Listen and say. Then practice.
He's a doctor. He isn't a nurse. She's a doctor. She isn't a nurse. He's. He is. She's. She is. Isn't. Is not.
1,
He's a doctor. He isn't a nurse.
2,
He's a nurse. He isn't a doctor.
3,
He's a teacher. He isn't a student.
4,
She's a student. She isn't a teacher.
5,
She's a pilot. She isn't a cook.
6,
She's a cook. She isn't a pilot.
He's a doctor. He isn't a nurse. He's a doctor. He isn't a nurse.
He's a nurse. He isn't a doctor. He's a nurse. He isn't a doctor.
He's a teacher. He isn't a student. He's a teacher. He isn't a student.
She's a student. She isn't a teacher. She's a student. She isn't a teacher.
She's a pilot. She isn't a cook. She's a pilot. She isn't a cook.
She's a cook. She isn't a pilot. She's a cook. She isn't a pilot.
D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Is he a doctor?
Yes, he is.
Is he a doctor?
No, he isn't. He's a nurse.
Is she a doctor?
Yes, she is.
Is she a doctor?
No, she isn't. She's a nurse. 1,
Is she a doctor? Yes, she is.
2,
Is he a doctor?
No, he isn't. He's a nurse.
3,
Is she a teacher? Yes, she is.
4,
Is she a teacher?
No, she isn't. She's a student.
5,
Is he a cook? Yes, he is.
6,
Is he a cook?
No, he isn't. He's a pilot.
Goodbye. See you later.